Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Our today's topic is about oxidizing and reducing agents. So let's discuss it without any delay. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, you should know about what is reducing agent and what is oxidizing agent. Reducing agents loses electron, and reducing agents are the atoms or elements which loses electrons during a chemical reaction and oxidize itself and reduce, which are reduce an other element during a chemical reaction and oxidize by itself. And what are oxidizing agents? Oxidizing agents gains electron. X is oxidized by Y because becomes more positive, and Y is reduced by X becomes more negative. Listen girls, this is very simple. As we know that in the oxidation, simple oxidation and reduction reactions, one atom lose electron, which is called oxidation, and other atom accept electron, which is called reduction. But what are oxidizing agents? Actually, in chemical reaction, presence of one atom affect the presence of another atom. For example, if we take the example of magnesium or sulfur, when we add oxygen in the magnesium, it will convert into magnesium oxide. It's mean in this chemical reaction, magnesium oxygen, magnesium loses 2 electrons, which is accepted by oxygen atom. Just a simple question is that if oxygen is not there, it will not react with the magnesium. So when oxygen react with magnesium, it will form magnesium oxide. And why magnesium lose electron? Because oxygen wants to complete its octet. So magnesium loses electron, and due to the oxygen, magnesium loses electron. That's why in this equation, oxygen is called oxidizing agent, because due to oxygen, magnesium loses 2 electrons and gives to the oxygen to complete its octet. So in this reaction, oxygen is oxidizing agent, because due to oxygen, magnesium is losing electron and magnesium is being oxidized. So in this reaction, magnesium and oxygen react with each other, and oxygen will be oxidizing agent and magnesium will be reducing agent. Agent mean which cause the other element to be reduced or oxidized. So due to magnesium, because magnesium gives 2 electrons and these electrons added into oxygen, that's why magnesium is called reducing agent. Reducing mean it's giving electron and to oxygen atom. And there is one thing you should remember, that when an atom loses electron, it is called oxidation, and the agent which cause oxidation is reduced itself. In this example, if we said oxygen is oxidizing agent, but itself is reduced by taking electron from magnesium. Similarly, when magnesium oxide, the other reaction, and when magnesium oxide loses 1 oxygen from the magnesium, so magnesium loses magnesium loses electron and it will be converted into oxygen, and it is the removal of oxygen take place into 2 MgO, so it is called reduction. Similarly, in the second example, formation of hydrogen sulfide with chlorine molecule. So in this reaction, chlorine accept a hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide and convert into 2HCl, hydrochloric acid, and sulfur is released. So what is oxidizing and reducing agent in this reaction? In this reaction, chlorine is called oxidizing agent because it causes oxidation of sulfur and it accepts two hydrogen from the sulfur, so it is itself is reduced. So oxidizing agent oxidize another atom or molecule in a chemical reaction, but itself they are reduced. Similarly, then the reverse reaction is when hydrogen 2HCl, hydrochloric acid, reacts with sulfur. In this reaction, a combination of hydrogen with sulfur is reduction, because in this reaction sulfur accepts electron from hydrogen. Now in this reaction, in the reverse reaction, sulfur is oxidizing agent and it reduced into hydrogen sulfide again, and chlorine is reducing agent because it's giving electron to sulfur, so giving electron to sulfur and it is itself oxidized into chlorine, and sulfur is reduced to hydrogen sulfide. It means oxidizing agent and reducing agent. When oxidizing agent when oxidize another atom or molecule, they are reduced by itself. So next we move, what is the difference between oxidizing and reducing agents? A reducing agent is a substance that can be oxidized by losing some of its electron. An oxidizing agent is a substance that can be reduced by obtaining electrons. It means oxidizing agent obtain electron from the another atom and is reduced, and reducing agent is the agent which give electron to another atom to cause it reduce, and itself reducing agent itself become